Welcome to a comprehensive overview of the solution and concentration term in class 12 chemistry presented by AI with Avinash Sir. Let's dive into the fascinating world of chemistry and explore the different type of solution and how we measure their concentration. Solution are homogeneous mixture composed of two or more substances. In this mixture, the solvent is the component present in a larger amount, while the solute is present in a smaller amount. Common examples include sugar dissolved in water and salt in water, as well as gases like oxygen and nitrogen in air. Solution can be classified based on their physical state. For instance, gases can dissolve in gaseous liquid or solid such as air or soda water. Liquids can dissolve in gaseous liquid or solids like water vapor in air or alcohol in water. Solids can also dissolve in liquids or other solids such as sugar in water or alloys like brass and bronze. Concentration refers to the amount of solute in a given amount of solvent or solution. There are various ways to express concentration, including mole, fraction, molarity, molality, and parts per million. Each method provides a unique preservative on the composition of solution. Mole fraction is the ratio of the number of moles of a component to the total number of the mole in the solution. For example, if a solution contains 2 moles of solute and 8 moles of solvent, the mole fraction of the solute 0.2 mole fraction are particularly useful for calculating partial pressure of gases in mixture. Despite the usefulness, mole fraction has limitations, especially when dealing with complex mixture where molecular formula or component density are not well known or readily available. This can make measurement and calculation challenging. Molarity is a measure of solution concentration defined as the number of moles of solute per liter of solution. For instance, if you dissolve 6.8 moles of NaCl in 4.5 liter of water, the molarity of the solution is calculated accordingly. Molarity is a common and convenient way to express concentration. One limitation of molarity is its depends on temperature, as it is based on the volume of the solution, which can express or contact with the temperature change. This variability can affect the accuracy of concentration measurements. Molality is another measure of solute concentration defined as the number of moles of solute per kilogram of solvent. Unlike molarity, molality is temperature independent, making it useful for precise calculation in varying conditions. Molality has its own limitations, such as difficulty in a practical measurement and inapplicability to multi-component mixture of a solid solution. In such cases, mole fraction might be a preferred alternative due to its ability to handle complex compositions. Parts per million ppm is a way of expressing the concentration of a substances in a solution or mixture, indicating one part of the substances per million parts of the whole. The method is particularly useful for very dilute solution. In conclusion, solution are homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent classified by physical state. Concentration can be expressed through various terms like mole fraction, molality, and molality, and PPM, each with its own application and limitation. Understanding this concept is essential for solving numerical problems in physical chemistry and for practical application in industry and laboratories. Thank you for joining us this explanation of solution and concentration term. We hope this presentation has enhanced your enhanced your understanding of this fundamental concept in chemistry. See you in next time. Thank you so much.